VVS Iyer. Varahaneri Venkatesa Subramaniam Iyer was born on 2nd April 1881 in the suburb of Varahaneri in Tiruchi. After his early education, he studied in St. Joseph's College and took his BA in History, Politics, and Latin. He studied for the law profession and passed the pleader's examination from the Madras University in the year 1902. He then practiced as a pleader in the district courts of Tiruchi. Iyer then moved to Rangoon in 1906 and started practicing as a junior in the chambers of an English barrister. From Rangoon, he left for London in 1907 and enrolled in Lincoln's Inn, aiming to become a barrister at law. While in London, Iyer came into contact with Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, an Indian revolutionary at the India House. Under Savarkar's influence, Iyer began to take an active role in the militant struggle for independence. Iyer had a son and two daughters. He was also a close friend of Shridananda Bharati. With him, he started the Bharadwaja ashram at Chandrama Devi. Iyer's militant attitude prompted the British Raj in 1910 to issue a warrant for his arrest for his alleged involvement in an anarchist conspiracy in London and Paris. Iyer resigned from Lincoln's Inn and escaped to Paris. But later, Iyer returned to India and landed in Pondicherry on 4th December 1910, disguised as a Muslim to escape arrest and remained there as an exile. Iyer remained in Pondicherry for over 10 years. While in Pondicherry, Iyer met with fellow revolutionaries Subramanya Bharati and Aurobindo. In Pondicherry, Iyer was involved in the plot to assassinate Robert William Escott Ashe, the collector of Tirunelveli. One of his students, Vantinathan, assassinated Ashe. Thus, more trouble arose for Iyer and his companion Subramanya Bharati. On 22nd September 1914, the German cruiser SMS Emden entered the Madras harbour and bombarded the city. The British colonial government blamed this on the activities of the exiles in Pondicherry and urged the French governor to deport Iyer and his companions to Africa. The French police brought several charges against the revolutionaries but failed to convict them. During this period, Iyer translated the Tirukkural into English. He later revealed that he wanted to leave a legacy behind if he were forced to leave the country. Iyer returned to Madras after World War I and worked as the editor of the newspaper Desabhaktan. He was arrested in 1921 on sedition charges and spent 9 months in prison. While in prison, Iyer wrote the book A Study of Kamba Ramayana. As a writer, Iyer has often been referred to as the founder of the short story genre in Tamil. Unfortunately, VVS Iyer drowned in the Papanasam Falls in June 1925 in circumstances which remain controversial. Upon his death, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Iyer's comrade in arms, paid a moving tribute in the journal Maratha. This was the short yet glorious life of VVS Iyer. May his struggle for India's freedom be undimmed yet unwitnessed by any man, as stated by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Vande Mataram.